first because I use the same.
Why do I feel like I've already
product? I'll bring my crease color
thing. Then I said, okay, fine, I'm gonna make this one thicker. Then I made it again, and then it got thicker than the way it was before. Why is she not brushing it off? Blush. Yeah, but what color? Let me use a bigger mirror to understand. Makeup is okay like this.
Yeah.
But you see no similarities. What's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, what's up? My name is Nikkie. If you're a returning subscriber, hi, hello, welcome back. Thank you for clicking on this video. Thank you for coming to see me again. That was a bit much. In today's video, I'm going to follow a makeup tutorial with only the audio. NikkieTutorials has done this on her channel before, but I just decided to try it. This tutorial I'm going to follow was selected by my friend, and I have never seen this video before. I don't think I've watched it before. I don't know who it is. I don't know what the makeup look looks like. I have absolutely no idea. I just have the audio, and I will see the makeup look at the end of the video. Why do I keep doing this? So without further ado, let's get right into this video. The video is 26 minutes long.
Hi guys, so welcome back. Today's video is an exciting one. I know I say that about a lot of my videos. I'm going to be showing you guys a full glam look using all products that are $10 and under. I usually do my brows first because I use the same products all the time. I'm going to start off with my ColourPop brow pencil in Bangin' Brunette. I like to literally just outline the natural shape of my brows, and it just kind of acts as a guide for me, and it makes it super easy when I'm filling in the rest. Use my Anastasia de brow because that's just what I have in my collection.
She's using a brow pomade, but I don't have a brow pomade. I'm just going to fill in the brows with a brow pencil. My eyebrows look very crazy right now.
So my brows still look crazy, but that's what the next step is for. So with some concealer. This is the NYX full coverage concealer.
I'm with the NYX concealer, but I don't have that, so I'm going to use the LA Girl Pro concealer to carve out my eyebrows. My brows refuse to become even, so I'm just going to leave it like this. They're sisters, not twins.
I'm going to be using these from Makeup Revolution. These are the Reloaded eyeshadow palettes. I'm going to use Iconic Fever today. And I'm going to start off with that really light, soft brown color, and I'm actually going to...
I thought she wasn't going to say the name of the color. I don't have the palette that she's using, so I'm just going to use my Morphe palette. I'm going to use this palette right here.
Start off with that really light, soft brown color, and I'm actually going to use that all over my lid. And I'm going to use the other darker, soft brown. It's a little bit darker than the one that I just used. I'm going to use the orange color in this palette, and I'm going to apply that pretty much right where I just applied the other one, but a little bit higher up in the crease because I really want that orange to pop.
I think I understand what she said. I'm going to get a brush, which I don't know. Why do I feel like I've already up?
Then I'm going to jump into the Reloaded Velvet Rose palette. This looks super similar to Soft Glam from Anastasia. So what I'm going to do is take that sort of brick red color, and I'm going to be applying that on the outer crease.
So I'm going to grab this red here, and I'm going to put it on the outer crease. I feel like I'm doing the wrong thing.
I want to add a little bit of darkness to that, so I'm going to take the burgundy shade right up top, and I'm going to basically just mix the two. So I'm looking straight ahead because I want to get that color right in sort of like the socket of my crease. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take that sort of like pinky shimmer color in the Makeup Revolution palette, and I'm going to just apply that shade in the inner third of my lid.
Inner third, so it's going to come from here and end here. She said the inner third, so I'm just gonna restrict it to here. I don't know if this is exactly what she did because I don't feel like these colors match, but let's just continue.
You could obviously leave this like this, but I'm gonna add some glitter.
I don't have my glitter palette, and it has this amazing beautiful pink shade in it, but I'm not here in school. So what I'm going to do is just add more of the shimmer shade, and hopefully it looks kind of similar. I think I'm just gonna leave it like this because it looks nice.
Okay, so I'm gonna use an angled brush. I'm gonna just kind of blend out the edges of that a little bit.
Okay.
And just diffuse the product out. Bring my crease color. I love these for winged liner. They are literally little eye tapes like this, and I am obsessed because it just makes doing your wings so easy. So I just like to apply them.
Oh, she's using wing liner eye tips. I don't have wing liner eye tips because I just use concealer to clean under my eyes if I make a mistake with my eyeliner.
Now I'm gonna do my wings.
So I ended up doing a very dramatic ass liner.
I am going to tightline my upper lash line. I usually don't like doing.
Wait, what?
Tightline my upper lash line. I usually don't like doing this on camera. Tightline my upper lash line. I usually don't like doing this on camera because it's like kind of creepy, but.
What does that mean? I have no idea what that means. I have no idea what that means. What do you mean by tightline? I'm just going to line my upper lash line, and hopefully that's what she means by tightline. I lined it and it's looking even crazier than it did before. I'm so sure that this is not what she did.
I am going to pop the lashes on and then we'll move into the skin, so I'll be right back. Moving into...
Okay, so I'm going to do the other eye off camera, and then I'm going to come back and we'll do the skin together with her. So yeah, so I'm back, and yes, I agree, the liner is so thick. I don't know how it got this thick. Like, this one was even thinner, and then I tried to fix this one, and then I ended up cleaning up the whole thing. Then I said, okay fine, I'm gonna make this one thicker. Then I made it again, and then it got thicker than the way it was before. And then at this point,
moving into the skin, first I'm gonna go in with the Kokie Smooth Glow Hydrating Foundation Primer.
I do not have the primer that she's using. Instead, I'm going to use the Zaron Oil Block Mattifier.
I'm gonna use the CoverGirl True Blend Matte Made Foundation. I'm gonna use my e.l.f. Total Face Sponge.
Oh, she's using a sponge. Excuse me while I wet this sponge.
For concealer, I am using the Catrice Liquid Camouflage High Coverage Concealer.
I don't have the concealer she's using. I have the LA Girl Pro Concealer. I'm just gonna blend. She doesn't say where she puts the concealer, so I'm just going to put the concealer where I normally put my concealer.
Going back with that concealer brush that I was using earlier, and I'm just gonna use that to clean up the inner corners.
Inner corners? Okay.
Okay, so I'm gonna go in with my Rimmel Stay Matte Mattifying Loose Powder. I'm gonna just use this with my sponge once again. This is my favorite way to use my powder. I honestly don't ever use a brush anymore, like rarely, for my translucent powder because I feel like nothing looks as good as with a sponge.
Okay, so I'm going to use the Black Opal Setting Powder. Oh! And I'm going to use a sponge to put it under my eye and use the rest to set my entire face.
This is just the way that I do my makeup. I don't know, it's so weird, but right after I'm done doing my powder, I have to set my brows because if not, I usually forget. And for some reason, I always remember right after I set my makeup. So this is the NYX Tinted Brow Mascara in shade Espresso.
So I'm going to use the Usher's Brow Gel and set my brows because that's what she's doing. I've never done this before, but after I've done my brows, I will set them with another brow product, but I guess it works.
For bronzer, I'm just gonna use a...
Why are you not brushing it off? Why is she not brushing it off? Won't she brush off the powder, the excess powder on her face? Did she already do that? I think so. I think she already did that and I missed that step. Okay, just wait a second.
And Wild Contouring Palette Duo.
Okay, so I'm going to use the Zaron Face Definer and I'm going to use the bronzer inside to bronze up my face.
I like to really get in there with my bronzer and like, that's how you know you're really bronzing your skin. I am using my Burt's Bees blush in Toasted Cinnamon.
And of course I go overboard with the blush. I love blush. Okay, so something happened. There is no light and I forgot to charge my laptop and my laptop died. So I had to call my friend to come and help me to play the video. I still haven't seen the video, so she's going to play for me so I can finish up the makeup, so I can finally see how the ending makeup looked like.
Little girl baked highlighters. Actually, I have two that I'm going to use. The first one is in Twilight, which is more of like a rose gold. I think this would be really beautiful on like medium and like tanner, darker skin tones. But I'm going to mix it today with a lighter one, and the other lighter one is in Moonlight. Now we can finish up the eyes and lips. So for the eyes, let's start off.
What eyes again? What do you want to do on the eyes again?
Take that and just apply it in the inner corners. Oh, I love it.
Inner corners of what? The brow bone. Okay, this is way too much now.
I'm going to go back into the Velvet Rose palette, and I'm going to start off with that brick red shade. I love the color.
Okay.
And then I'm going to line my waterline with the black. I really wish I had like a very...
So I'm going to go in with this liner and line inside my eye. Doesn't look bad.
Finally, for the eyes, I'm just going to apply some bottom lash mascara. Now for lip liner, I'm going to use my favorite. This is the Perfect Precision lip liner from LA Girl in Bare. I cannot not use these. Like, no matter what look I'm doing, I always seem to go back to
Yeah, but what color?
It's usually like $4 and it's a pencil, which I normally don't love.
Yeah, but what color?
Lip liners, but these are so creamy and low-bearing and they just glide on. So I'm going to use this one to line my lips, to overline them slightly-ish.
Yeah, but what color?
Spatula.
Yeah, but what color? She said blushing rose. Roses can be pink or red.
So last and final thing I'm going to do, of course, is set my makeup. Once again, I'm going to use the Rimmel setting spray. So that completes this look. Let me know what you guys think.
So according to her, the look is complete. So I'm going to look at the makeup look that I did for the first time to see whether I did it well. I want to increase the brightness. Yes,
Look, I love everything about it. I think it can be perfect.
Let me use a bigger mirror to understand. Where is the orange? Where is the orange? I mean, it's like if I touch some things up now that I've seen it, it looks more similar. Yeah, that brings us to the end of this video. So would I call this a fail? Will you call it a fail? Let my friend decide. Do you think I did something similar to what she did?
Your makeup is okay.
My makeup is okay like this.
Yeah,
but
see no similarities.
Like she kept saying pink, red. So yeah, that brings us to the end of this video. I have nothing else to say about this makeup look. I get it looks nice like this, but like yeah. So yeah, this brings us to the end of this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know if you think that we look somehow, some way, a little bit similar. Let me know what you guys think. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Please click that notification bell so you can get a notification from me every time I upload a brand new video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I was
And then wrap it.
this video end. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.